Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add column in ETabs, full guide. Open ETabs, set grid and story dimensions, choose the column drawing tool, pick section properties, and click or drag to place columns at intersections. Use snapping and reference lines for accuracy, define column end offsets, assign material and design sections, and review the model in 3D view to confirm placement. Save the model frequently, and run a quick analysis to detect any connectivity issues early. Adjusting column properties ensures correct analysis and design. Select a column, open property dialog, set section, material, orientation, and eccentricity, then apply to similar elements using assign menus. Define reinforcement patterns or select design code options before starting design checks to ensure compliance and efficiency. Always review section cuts and interaction diagrams, and run a sanity check with a simple load case to verify behavior. Document changes in notes and backups so you can trace revisions during collaboration. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot brings your space to life with clear sound, voice control, and compact design. It pairs nicely in an office or studio for audio cues during ETabs tutorials or to relax between modeling sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Quick and useful pick for creators. Now let's get back to the video. Placing columns accurately in plan and elevation views prevents modeling errors and load path mistakes. Use story levels and snap settings to align columns, mirror placements for symmetry, and trim or extend as needed. Assign axial, moment, and lateral loads to columns, and include them in load combinations for design checks. Run mesh, check element connectivity at joints, and inspect displacement and reaction results to confirm expected behavior. Fix any unconnected nodes before finalizing the model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.